Imagine asking an AI a question, and it answers instantly. It sounds intelligent, it sounds confident. But here's the shocking truth: AI doesn't actually understand anything. It's not thinking, it's not reasoning, it's just predicting the next word. And once you understand this, the way you see artificial intelligence will completely change. Artificial intelligence today can write essays, generate art, compose music, and even help doctors diagnose diseases. It can answer complex questions in seconds. This feels like we've finally created something that truly thinks, but what if that's an illusion? What if AI only looks intelligent because it's incredibly good at recognizing patterns? In reality, most modern AI systems are not thinking machines. They are prediction machines, and prediction is very different from intelligence. To understand this, imagine your phone keyboard. When you type a message, your keyboard often suggests the next word. For example, if you type, "I'll see you," your phone might suggest the word tomorrow. Why? Because millions of people have typed that same phrase before. Your phone has learned the pattern. Large AI systems work in a similar way, just on a much larger scale. Instead of predicting the next word from thousands of messages, they learn from billions of sentences across the internet. Every response is simply a prediction of what word is most likely to come next. Not a thought, not an opinion, just probability. Imagine reading nearly the entire internet. Books, websites, articles, conversations. Now imagine analyzing the patterns between all those words. That's essentially how modern AI is trained. It studies massive amounts of data and learns which words tend to follow other words. When you ask AI a question, it doesn't know the answer. Instead, it calculates something like this. Based on everything I've seen before, what word is most likely to come next? Then it predicts the next word. And then the next, and the next, one word at a time. This process happens extremely fast, creating the illusion of intelligence. If AI is just predicting words, why does it sound so intelligent? The answer is simple: it has learned from human intelligence. Every article written by a scientist, every book written by a philosopher, every conversation online, all of that knowledge becomes training data. So when AI generates an answer, it's essentially remixing patterns learned from millions of humans. It doesn't understand those ideas, but it has learned how those ideas are usually expressed. Think of it like an actor performing a role. The actor may deliver convincing lines, but that doesn't mean they actually believe or understand the character they are playing. Because AI is based on prediction, it also has serious limitations. For example, AI can sometimes produce answers that sound confident, but are completely wrong. These are often called AI hallucinations. Why do they happen? Because AI isn't checking facts. It's only predicting what words sound correct based on patterns it has learned. If the pattern suggests a certain answer is likely, AI may generate it even if it's inaccurate. This is why human oversight is still extremely important. Prediction alone cannot replace real understanding. But even though AI isn't truly intelligent, prediction itself is incredibly powerful. Prediction can help detect diseases earlier, improve weather forecasting, translate languages instantly, recommend useful information. In many areas of life, prediction is exactly what we need. When used responsibly, AI can amplify human abilities in ways never seen before. It becomes a tool for intelligence, not a replacement for it. The real future of AI may not be about creating machines that think like humans. Instead, it may be about combining human creativity with machine prediction. Humans bring understanding, judgment, and values. AI brings speed, pattern recognition, and massive data analysis. Together, that combination could transform industries, science, and everyday life. But remembering what AI truly is, a prediction system, helps us keep realistic expectations. And perhaps even more importantly, it reminds us that human intelligence still matters more than ever. Artificial intelligence may feel magical, but behind the scenes it's powered by something surprisingly simple. Prediction, not consciousness, not understanding, just patterns. And yet, those patterns are powerful enough to reshape the future. So the real question is not whether AI is intelligent. The real question is, how will humans choose to use it? If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into technology, artificial intelligence, and the future, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments. Do you think AI will ever become truly intelligent? Thanks for watching.